Welcome back to TechnoGuardian, the channel where we dive deep into the world of technology and explore the latest gadgets and innovations. In today's episode, we have an exciting device to discuss that has been making waves in the tech community. It's called Flipper Zero, a versatile tool that opens up a world of possibilities. Join us as we explore its features and capabilities, including its ability to handle RF and IR signals, support for iButton and one-wire protocol, and its powerful GPIO pins. We'll also touch upon its USB HID emulation capabilities and discuss potential security concerns like bad USB and fuzz attacks. So let's get started with our deep dive into the Flipper Zero. The Flipper Zero is a cutting-edge device that combines the functionalities of multiple gadgets into one compact and versatile tool. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it has quickly gained popularity among tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're a hacker, security expert, or simply a tech enthusiast, the Flipper Zero offers a wide range of features that will undoubtedly impress you. One of the standout features of the Flipper Zero is its ability to handle RF, radio frequency, and IR, infrared, signals. With its built-in transceiver, it can transmit and receive signals across various frequencies, allowing you to control a wide range of devices such as TVs, air conditioners, and even car key fobs. This feature opens up endless possibilities for remote control and automation projects, making the Flipper Zero an invaluable tool for smart home enthusiasts and do-it-yourself enthusiasts alike. Another impressive capability of the Flipper Zero is its support for iButton and one-wire protocol. iButton is a small computer chip enclosed in a stainless steel can, and it can be used for various applications like access control, temperature monitoring, and data logging. With the Flipper Zero, you can easily interact with iButton devices and read their data, allowing you to integrate them into your projects seamlessly. Additionally, the one-wire protocol support expands the range of compatible devices, providing you with even more flexibility and control. To secure your buildings, consider using additional forms of access control, like PIN codes or biometric authentication. Flipper Zero can exploit one-wire and I2C protocols to interact with electronic devices in unintended ways. iButton, a small button-like device, incorporates a unique identifier and memory, making it useful in applications like access control and temperature monitoring. Flipper Zero not only reads and writes data to iButtons, but also supports the one-wire protocol. This opens up opportunities for users to explore and interact with a wide range of iButton devices, further expanding the capabilities of this remarkable device. To mitigate this, secure physical access to your devices and use encryption where possible. Flipper Zero offers seamless integration with I2C protocol and GPIO, general purpose input-output, pins. This means you can connect and interact with a vast array of devices that communicate through these interfaces. From sensors to displays and actuators, Flipper Zero acts as a bridge, allowing you to experiment and control various electronic components with ease. GPIO pins could be used by Flipper Zero to interact with hardware in potentially harmful ways. Again, securing physical access to your devices is key. Flipper Zero offers software functionalities like USB HID Emulation, useful for task automation and keystroke injections. However, this can lead to security risks like bad USB or fuzz attacks. To mitigate these, disable automatic command execution from USB devices, regularly update your systems, and only use trusted USB devices. In addition to its hardware capabilities, the Flipper Zero offers powerful software functionalities. It can emulate USB HID, human interface device, allowing it to act as a keyboard, mouse, or any other input device. This feature is particularly useful for automating tasks, performing keystroke injections, or even executing predefined sequences of actions. However, it's important to note that this capability also raises concerns about potential security vulnerabilities. The Flipper Zero's USB HID emulation can be exploited for malicious purposes, such as bad USB attacks or fuzz attacks, where the device is used to inject malicious code or perform unauthorized actions on a target system. As with any powerful tool, responsible use, and understanding of security risks are crucial. The Xtreme Firmware is a revamped version of the original firmware for the Flipper Zero, offering enhanced functionality and stability. It fixes bugs, removes unstable applications, and utilizes a level system. Key features include custom animations, support for external antennas, and new API routes. It also introduces the Xtreme Settings application for device customization, and supports custom animation and asset packs. This allows users to create and load their own animations and icons on the Flipper Zero. The Flipper Zero is undoubtedly an impressive device with a wide range of capabilities. From handling RF and IR signals to supporting protocols like iButton, OneWire, and I2C, it opens up endless possibilities for tech enthusiasts, hackers, and security experts alike. However, it's essential to be aware of the potential security concerns associated with its USB HID emulation capabilities. As always, it's crucial to use such powerful tools responsibly and with a thorough understanding of the risks involved. That concludes our deep dive into the Flipper Zero. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Tech Insights. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep innovating. Until next time.
No one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better. How I try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I try to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh,